Orthus versus Dragoon G. Let's do this. Ready? Best of three. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah. Oh god, I got hurt.
Throwing it off.
Yeah.
First he was going off, now he's throwing it off.
So this attack ring is very good, competitive, huh? And
Yeah.
Yeah, very competitive. See how is one shot and out, no? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, yeah, actually, one shot is out.
Only with Drancer he did not got anything much.
But he actually broke dancer fully.
He broke Drancer, yeah, exactly. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Ah, there you go. So Dragoon wins and we have another battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that went, where did it go?
Yes.
Is there? Oh gosh, Dragoon is just out. Did you see that it was recorded now? I hope Dragoon is not in pieces.
No.
This fellow is okay, no? Otherwise he'll be in pieces.
But he was about to become piece after falling.